Are you fascinated with the inner workings of the human mind? Then an online psychology degree may be what you're looking for. Psychology is the scientific study of the mind, mental processes, and how those processes influence human behavior. Because of that, many people only consider counseling or mental health jobs when they think about psychology. But did you know a psychology degree can prepare you for so much more? A bachelor's degree in psychology is one of the most popular undergraduate degree programs. It can pave the way to a wide range of careers, like market research analyst, HR manager, PR specialist, sales, or anything where understanding human behavior is important. Additionally, an online psychology degree can serve as a springboard for graduate studies in a wide variety of fields. If you want to pursue counseling or mental health professions that require licensure, a bachelor's degree in psychology is a great place to start. Just remember, you'll need more advanced degrees and training. If you're thinking psychology might be a pathway you want to pursue, here's what a bachelor's degree in psychology looks like here at SNHU. Our program is designed to give you a broad foundation in the field. It includes a 12-credit embedded certificate in data literacy and psychology, which can help you develop the knowledge and skills needed to synthesize data and theory and communicate findings to academic and professional audiences. You'll also have the chance to take advantage of experiential learning and internship opportunities to help you better define your career path. In the program, you'll learn things like data gathering and analysis, research methods, communication and presentation skills, and ethical standards. Once accepted, you'll have the chance to follow a general track or choose a concentration. A specialized focus is ideal if you want to gain skills in a certain area of psychology, like mental health, forensic psychology, or child and adolescent development. No matter what you choose to focus on, SNHU can help you build a solid foundation for future success. With psychology instructors who have real-world experience, career-focused courses built for the modern workforce, and dedicated student support from day one to graduation and beyond. So if you're ready to dive into the world of psychology, SNHU may be for you. Apply today and get one step closer to your goals.